Ever started a new business and felt overwhelmed by all the financial software options out there? Xero is a popular choice for small businesses, but adding your cash accounts can seem confusing at first. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. In this video, we'll cover exactly how to add a cash account in Xero, making your bookkeeping a breeze. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your Xero account. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounting tab. You'll find a list of options, and we're looking for Chart of Accounts. Click on it, and a new window will appear. Now, find the Add Account button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Bank or Other Receivables. This is where things get interesting. You'll see a few options for account types. For cash accounts, we're primarily interested in bank. This is for your main bank accounts, like your checking or savings accounts. Petty cash. This is for small, everyday expenses that you pay for in cash. Float. This is for cash that you keep on hand for specific purposes, like making change for customers. Choose the account type that best suits your needs. For this example, let's say we're adding a checking account. After selecting the account type, you'll need to provide some essential information. This usually includes account name. Give your account a clear and descriptive name. For example, Chase Checking or Business Checking. Account number. Enter your actual bank account number. Currency. Select the currency you use for this account. Tax rate. If applicable, specify the tax rate associated with this account. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click Save. Congratulations! You've successfully added a cash account to your Xero system. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about some important considerations. Account reconciliation. Regularly reconcile your bank accounts in Xero to ensure accuracy. This involves comparing your bank statements to your Xero transactions. Bank feeds. Xero offers bank feeds that automatically import transactions from your bank into your Xero account. This can significantly save you time. Chart of Accounts structure. Maintain a well-organized chart of accounts for easy tracking and reporting. Now, let's address some common questions you might have. Can I add multiple cash accounts? Absolutely. You can add as many cash accounts as you need to accurately reflect your business finances. What if I make a mistake? No worries. You can easily edit or delete accounts in Xero. Just navigate to the Chart of Accounts and click on the account you want to modify. Adding cash accounts in Xero might seem daunting at first, but it's a crucial step in managing your business finances effectively. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to streamlined bookkeeping. And there you have it. You now know how to add a cash account in Xero. This is just one of the many features that Xero offers to help you manage your business finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.